Hey, welcome back. Adventures with Dr. Joe. Today we're going to replace the chuck on a Dremel tool, something that's very common and most of us have one, that requires a wrench. So to take this on and off requires a wrench. But we're going to replace it with a keyless chuck, one that doesn't require a wrench. It's pretty simple. Let's take a look. So this Dremel is a micro Dremel. It's very nice. I like it a lot. It has a lock here, so you can lock the chuck, but then to take it on and off, it requires this wrench, which is not the worst thing in the world, but it's just kind of a hassle. So there we loosen it, and then whatever you're using comes out. Now, here is the Dremel chuck. It is keyless and threaded. So what we'll do here is we'll take the current chuck off and this inner part, this collet, and now you can see there are threads here. So these threads are what's going to make this work. And interestingly, it has some flats on it, the chuck does, that fit the same wrench that we took the original chuck off. I think that's very nice. So we're going to just thread it on. Literally just thread it on like that. And then when it's all the way down, and I've got the lock on. Okay, as we tighten this new keyless chuck, when we hold the lock down, you'll see the jaws get smaller and smaller and smaller, which will grip the tool until it comes all the way down to this point where there's basically no space. So let's open it up. Let's put our new bit, let's put this diamond wheel in that I was using. And then let's tighten it up. Wow, there it is, ready to go. So that is as simple as it gets. That's the installation of the new of this new keyless chuck for your Dremel tool. Now, in the event you want it tighter when those flats are exposed, you can lock it and further tighten this up. Hopefully we won't ever need to do that though, but that's a possibility. Anyway, there you go. That's a nice upgrade for these Dremel tools. So hey, if you found this useful, please give me a thumbs up. It helps the channel a lot. Consider subscribing. Thank you.